Are you in a market for a smartwatch which looks like a classical watch and come with the battery life of up till 20 days, interface with your mobile phone on a click of a button? If that is all you're looking for, stay tuned. What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on this Huawei GT2 Smartwatch. Huawei released this watch in two different sizes. One is a 42, another one is a 46 mm. The one which we are going to review in this video is 46 mm version. Now around the packaging it don't specify any key features of the smartwatch. The only information you're going to see the model number of your smartwatch and what color and the serial number detail. Now if you're new to my channel, you are most welcome. Here at my channel I tend to go extra mile showing each and everything about the product I am reviewing, starting with the unboxing, looking around the product, configuring it with your smartphone devices if the product needed it, then demonstrating all the key features of the product. By the end of the video you will have an idea without my conclusion that is that particular product for you or not. If that is something you are looking for, why not hit the like button and subscribe for more as well. Now with that all been said, let's go ahead with the unboxing. So here we have everything which come with the smartwatch, starting with the very quick startup guide, help you to set up the smartwatch first time, and a warranty card, following with the 1 meter long USB-C type charging cable and a cradle with the smartwatch charging pins, which is also magnetically coupled. So you can just simply place it under the watch and it will lock himself. With the help of magnet, you cannot go opposite way around at all. Now in last but not least, Huawei GT2 Smartwatch. And the one which we have here is a 46 mm version. Now to start with, in the front we have a high quality 3D glass and 1.39 inch AMOLED display, the ultra slim 10.7 mm body, which looks sleek on normal hand, to be honest with you. Stripes are very easy to change by pulling this lever down. Smartwatch come with a fantastic 2 weeks of battery life, even with the heart rate sensor working 90 minutes a day. Come with the fully professional sports training mode. Also come with the self-developed Huawei Kirin A1 processor, which ensures a high operation performance and incredible low consumption. And that is the main reason of battery being lost for a long time, and come with the built-in GPS as well, where on the right hand side of the smartwatch you have one power on and off button as well as one down button which can work as a multifunctional too. And in the middle is speaker which will help you to use the smartwatch as a hand-free as well as listen some music if you want to. Microphone input is also available on the left hand side, so as a heart rate sensor in the bottom and charging pins too. Now let's power up the smartwatch first time by holding this power on button. To start with, you're going to see the Huawei logo in front, and to start with we'll be going through the wizard to select the language. Now first time to configure the smartwatch with your mobile phone, follow all the instructions available on your smartwatch, where first is asking you to download the Huawei Health application on your mobile phone, which is available in Google Play Store. Now within your Huawei Health app, you need to click onto the devices and click onto the add devices. Now in here select your smartwatch, and once you locate your smartwatch, click on it. Now click pair button down below and allow it to Bluetooth to access the watch. Now once you see your watch available within the list here, click on it to select and pair. You're also going to see the same notification available on your smartwatch. Click yes. Once it's done it, click onto the yes to give an access and continue. Now within the notification access, you need to make sure your health application is got access, because that is the application which will be communicating between your mobile phone as well as in the smartwatch. So there we go, smartwatch is fully configured with your mobile phone, and you can access all the options available within your smartwatch within this app as well. Now it is very important to know that what type of options are available within this Huawei Health application for your smartwatch, where from here you can change the faces of your watch, get the help as well as you can watch your true sleep pattern within this app. You can turn them on and off as well, and it will be automatically transferred to your smartwatch too. Now you can set the alarms, you can listen to music, you can get the notification, or you can just simply go into the notification and enable and disable what sort of application you would like to get the notifications from. Let's suppose here it says messages, WeChat. If I would like to get a notification from my Facebook, I can do that. So is Instagram as well, emails. Keep going downwards. All the applications which you have available within your mobile phone will be available in here. So any notification from them, you're going to get it if they are selected down in here. App also give you option for your favorite contacts to have, which will be available straight on your smartwatch, so as the weather as well as a disconnection from the Bluetooth. Now this Huawei GT2 smartwatch only supports Bluetooth communication. It doesn't have any extra connections like a Wi-Fi at all. Now within the app you're also going to have an option for the firmware update. By click of a one button, if there is a latest firmware available, it will download and install on your smartwatch. That's what I'm doing at the moment of time. You can see that smartwatch has started to get updated as well. Very easy and very straightforward process. Now using this Huawei application, you can do quite many things. You can set up your own goals within your Me area, or you can go check your daily health in here as well, which will be showing you each and everything type of data which is coming from your smartwatch straight on your application. You can also plan the exercises, and by pressing play on it, it will be all recording your GPS location on inside the application as well. When you're done doing running, walking, cycling, training, and whatever you are doing, everything will be available right within the app for you. Now let's have a very quick look within the smartwatch menu and how easy are they to use. Now to start with, if you scroll from top to bottom, you're going to see the menu which is to do with the all do not disturb, stopwatch, vibrator, alarms, on accessing your setting on a click of a button. You can also get the status for your Bluetooth connectivity as well as your battery status. Then if you scroll from bottom to top, you're going to see the notifications which are available from your mobile phone straight right in here. Now you can change between the plates by pressing from left to right or right to left if you want to. Now in here you're going to see all the plates which are running common. Now the first plates which we have here is for the heart rate, which is monitoring 24-hour, and as you can see that it will tell you actually what time your heart rate was, how it was. Then you have a stress test which is enabled from your health application. That's why it's recording everything about it. The third one we have is for the weather, and the fourth one for the music, and so much more in here. You can also customize them too. Now changing the face of your smartwatch is very easy and straightforward. Press and hold on the top of it and select this face which you would like to have. By click of a one button, you can just change it as well. There are so many faces available as well. Now to access all the applications and features available on your smartwatch, press this top button where it's going to show you all the options, starting with the workout record, workout status, heart rate, activity record, sleep monitor, stress monitor, breathing exercises, call log, contacts, music, all air pressure, compass, notification, weather, stopwatch, timer, alarms, flashlight. Find your mobile phone. By pressing the one button on it, you're going to see the notification coming on your...
Here.
There you go.
I'm here.
Not bad actually, guys. After Find My Mobile, you have an option for the settings. In here you're going to see the option for earbuds. You can connect your earbuds with the smartwatch on a click of a one button. That's an easy and straightforward option. I will show you later in this video how to do that. The next tab we have is for the display, where you can go into the first option, which is for the faces. The second one is for the brightness, and third one is the advanced. Within the advanced, you can select how you would like to select the sleep time, screen on time, and standby watch time. Now to come out of this menu, you need to go from left to right by just swiping it over, and again if you want to. The next option you have is for the sound, where you can set the volume, silent mode, and stuff like that. After sound, you have an option for strength, do not disturb, and a down button selection. Now you can also set what type of work you wanted to do with this down button, you can select it to launch it by press of a one button. By pressing this button at this moment of time, workout is set. You can change it if you want to and select whatever you want. Next is the system. By going into the system, you can restart, power off, disconnect from your mobile phone, as well as restore your smartwatch to the factory default settings. Now by default, this down button is set to launch the workout regime. By press of a one button, you can select what type of workout you would like to do, and by pressing it again, you can start it. Now this scheme will be recording your GPS data, your heart rate, everything, launching, putting them all in organized manner inside the app as well. Now if you'd like to stop it, by press of the stop button here, it will pause it. You can by press of a one button to stop it, and yes, sure, and that's it. That's how it's ended. Now working around the smartwatch is very easy and straightforward. Now connecting your earbuds or any Bluetooth headphone with your smartwatch is easy and straightforward by first making sure they are in a pairing mode, and then by going into the settings of your smartwatch and click onto the earbuds. Now in here you're going to see all the earbuds which are available for pairing. Click onto them and click OK and just pair. That's about it. And that's about it. Now you can straight away go down in and play some music for yourself straight onto your earbuds. And transferring the music from your mobile phone straight into your smartwatch is easy and straightforward using the Huawei Health application. Straight away go down into the devices tab, and down in here you're going to see the music area. Now click on to add and manage music on your watch, and click onto the plus button here to add whatever song you wanted to have from your playlist straight into your smartwatch by click of a one button. Now just to prove the point, let me select one music and press OK on it. There you can see the transfer has started. Once it's completed, music will be available for you to play on your smartwatch. You can play it on the smartwatch using its speaker, or listen the same music connecting your earbuds with the smartwatch. Both ways, everything works great. Now let's check out the performance of a watch being waking up when you lift your wrist, how quick it is. There you go. Not bad actually, it's just straightforward. Now, and the performance of heart rate is very important as well, which is running 24/7, and it is very important that it's recording all your data, and at the same time it's monitoring your stress level as well. That performance is fantastic, undoubtedly. Now the choice regarding the faces which you can have for your smartwatch is in hundreds, guys. Just use the Huawei Health application and you're going to see them all available in here, and it will be just within one click. Actually, you just press the button on it and it'll straight away download it and apply it to your smartwatch on a click of a button. As soon as you see that, the face is changed on a click of a button and it's all up and running. Now checking the performance of water resistance and the waterproofing of the smartwatch is very important as well. What I've done is just not 3-4 meter fish tank or anything like that, but I got this bowl of full of water, and the smartwatch is inside and still is sticking fine. Still working, guys, not bad at all. So the waterproof performance is not that bad at all. Well, this kind of a thing also help you to clean the smartwatch if you want to with the water, or you can also clean the stripes as well, which can get dirty time to time. Now as I mentioned before, that the charge could last you up to 21 days, and you can do a full charge of the smartwatch in only half an hour. Now here I am at the conclusion part, that what I think about this Huawei GT2 smartwatch in terms of its build quality and the performance is way better than my expectation. I would highly recommend. In terms of battery life, no doubt whatsoever, it can go up to 20 days. Even the claim is about 2 weeks, but it can go up to 3 weeks, no doubt whatsoever. And you're going to get all your messages and everything right on your smartwatch from your mobile phone using the Huawei Health application, which can also check out your performance in terms of its exercise and everything. I hope I have covered each and everything about this smartwatch in this video, but if you still have any more questions, comment section is available down below for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.